Honorable President of India, distinguished members of the armed forces, respected dignitaries, fellow athletes, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is a privilege and a deeply humbling experience to stand before you today. To be on this stage is something I could never have imagined. Growing up as a boy in a Mizoram, in a small village. And today, I came from a simple family where we could not always afford the things we dreamt of, but we were blessed with something far more valuable: faith, hope, and the courage to keep dreaming. As kids, we looked up to the men and women in uniform with immense admiration. We believed that the greatest way to serve our country is by becoming protectors of our nation, just like all of you. Today, that respect has only deepened because I now understand the sacrifices you make every single day, leaving your families behind, standing guard through every challenge so that millions of Indians can live in peace and chase their dreams. As footballers, we wear a different uniform, but with the same pride. Every time we wear the India jersey, we carry our nation's hope onto the field. We strive to honor our country through our dedication, discipline, and teamwork. The Durand Cup holds a very special place in my heart. It is not just one of the oldest and the most prestigious football tournaments in the world. It is a tournament that changed my life. I have had the privilege to play in it several times, and I can honestly say without the opportunities it has given me, I may never have reached where I am today. It became a turning point in my career, allowing me to grow and believe that greater things were possible. To you, our Honorable President, it is a matter of great pride and honor to all of us, not just in the arena of football, but for the entire sporting fraternity, that you have revived the tradition of personally presenting the President's Cup to the champions of this iconic tournament. I sincerely hope this tournament continues to flourish for many generations to come, inspiring young footballers across the country to dream, to compete, and to represent India with pride. To all the teams participating, I wish you all the best. Jai Hind.